Luxury watches, akin to exquisite works of art, occasionally require repair and refinishing. The prospect of handing over your prized Rolex Submariner for servicing can be daunting, but in expert hands, a little sprucing up can go a long way in protecting the value of your investment. Our watch repair experts have shared some of their insights on this matter, which are outlined in 3 key points: preserving original character and quality in restoration, use of original parts and authorized service and restoration, and the impact of skilled craftsmanship on service and restoration. And I'll go deeper into those points right after this short intro. The consensus is that a luxury watch can retain or sometimes increase its value following service and restoration, dependent on the restoration quality and the service provider's reputation. A restoration that is conducted professionally and meticulously can revitalize a watch, restoring it to its former glory and thereby enhancing its value. On the flip side, if the service fails to meet high standards, it might adversely impact the watch's worth. The process is similar to art restoration. Skillful work can revitalize an old painting, while poor execution can damage it. Overall, a well-serviced and restored luxury watch that preserves its original essence and quality is more likely to hold or even increase its value. Various factors influence a luxury watch's value post-restoration: its condition, authenticity, brand reputation, rarity, and market demand for the specific model. A watch that undergoes professional servicing and restoration, especially by authorized service centers or renowned watchmakers, can see a positive impact on its value. This includes ensuring optimal functionality and maintaining original specifications, which are especially appealing to collectors and enthusiasts. However, it's crucial that restoration involves refinishing the case or replacing worn parts with genuine components. Conversely, over-servicing or using non-original parts can diminish a watch's collectability and authenticity, negatively affecting its value. Additionally, market conditions and shifting trends among collectors and buyers in the luxury watch market can influence a specific model's value. A luxury watch stands as a testament to elegance, status, and master craftsmanship, often regarded as an investment piece for its high value and potential appreciation over time. However, regular wear and tear necessitates servicing or restoration to maintain both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The key to a watch retaining its value post-service is contingent on several factors, including the brand, model, rarity, and its condition before and after servicing. Generally, high-end luxury watches from prestigious brands tend to preserve their value even after servicing, thanks to the quality of materials and craftsmanship involved in their creation. Additionally, the brand's reputation plays a significant role in maintaining a watch's value, with skilled craftsmanship in servicing and restoration being paramount. In summary, while luxury watches can maintain their value after being serviced or restored, this outcome largely depends on the quality of the restoration, the preservation of authenticity, and the expertise of the service professionals. Ensuring that these elements are in place is vital for any luxury watch owner looking to protect their investment.